Hi everybody, this is chapter 5,
Mommy,
DNA
where
plants
did
and
Dad go?
animals,
Mommy,
level HI.
where's Mommy?
He went that way.
I get her.
Sure.
Josh likes that he got his genes from his parents. He likes looking and acting like his parents and sister. He also likes being different from them in certain ways. He likes being an individual.
So Josh likes that he's different, and he also likes that he's similar to his family.
It is getting late. Josh needs to feed his dog. Josh looks at his dog, Sage. She is a small dog with brown fur. She has brown eyes. Josh and Sage like to play fetch with the ball.
Yeah, go get him.
Sage can run fast after the
You wanna do
ball.
that? Thank you. So Sage likes to play fetch with Josh, and she can run fast and catch the ball.
Catchy ball.
Sage just had 3 puppies. Josh wonders if dogs are like people. Does Sage have DNA? Did the puppies inherit genes from Sage? Do they look like her? Do they act like her?
What do y'all think? Do y'all think dogs have genes too?
Josh asks his dad, do dogs have DNA like people? Yes, animals and plants have DNA. They have genes that tell what the dog will look like. Josh thinks that's cool. He wants to learn more.
So yes, animals and plants also contain DNA. DNA is in every living cell.
Josh watches Sage and her puppies. He sees one puppy is all brown just like Sage. The other puppies are brown and white. 2 of the puppies are running fast. The other dog is laying next to Sage. All of the puppies have brown eyes.
So all of her puppies have brown eyes, which is like Sage.
Sage and her puppies are alike because they share many of the same genes. But they do not share all of the same genes.
So they don't share every single gene. That's why they don't look identical.
Josh looks around the garden. He sees many different types of plants. He sees pea plants that are short with round leaves. He sees corn plants that have tall stems with long leaves. The plants look different because of their DNA. If all of the plants in the garden had the same DNA, they would all be the same plant.
So if all of the plants had the same DNA, they'd all be the same, and that wouldn't be cool. So even plants have different DNA.
Josh asks his dad, where do plants get their DNA? A plant drops a seed and then the seed is planted. That seed contains DNA, says Dad. The plants would look like each other because they share the same genes, just like animals and people.
Okay, so that was the end of chapter 5. Please log on to Canvas and check your work and get it done. Hope you have a great day. Remember, if you have questions, you can log into mine or Miss S's sites.